What's up, guys? This is Jeff from Robotics. This is vlog number 5 for my YouTube vlog series, and this is going to be a short video today. Just wanted to catch you guys up on what's going on in the week. So you can see behind me, my printer is getting started. It is just about ready to start a new print. It's pretty much been working non-stop for the last week just to make parts for my robots for a couple of side projects, and of course the big mysterious 3D printing project that I've been talking about. So I wasn't going to do this, but this just came off the printer, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a clue as to the project. I'm going to give you a close look at one of the parts. This is a 30-hour print. Actually, it's about 35 hours, and it's yeah, crazy long. This is all support material in here because of the steep overhang that it needs. So it needs to print stuff, otherwise it can't print midair. Anyway, this is your clue, and I will reveal it eventually. I'm thinking probably maybe by Halloween I'll reveal it, otherwise maybe a little bit later than that. I wanted to have it done by Halloween, and the reason that I haven't said anything as to the specifics of it is because I just want to make sure that it's going to work all right. So I'm not really sure how to how to talk about it without people asking me about it constantly. So anyway, that's what's going on, and actually a couple of people have figured it out already. There was a couple of clues that I left in some videos before, and somebody actually guessed it right on, but I haven't acknowledged that yet. And a couple of people came over and asked what it was, so I just told them anyway. So stay tuned, and I will reveal more about that later on. However, there is something that I can tell you about, and this is going to be part of my Halloween project. And this is, yeah, it's a 3D printed brain. And this took about a day for this, and about a day for this, so 2 days printing. And this thing is about full scale. This is not my brain, just in case you're wondering. I didn't do like an MRI or imaging map and use my own. I got this off of Thingiverse, but looks really good. So turned out great, and I can't wait to start this project. If you guys noticed, I posted a video just a few hours ago, and that was for the JLC PCB circuit board reviews. I'm really happy with those. Please check out that video. And I do have a couple other videos here in the pipeline, including a new Genesis video that should be coming up within probably the next 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm actually starting to print for that video right now. So that hopefully will all come together right. Anyway, guys, that's really all that I have today. Oh, you know what? I wanted to update you on one more thing. The cat. Yeah, it's actually living in my garage right now. It's been eating and hanging out and playing with the toys that I got it, and I've just been spoiling it rotten lately. But it's certainly a lovable little thing, and I'm very happy that it's a new part of our family. So you can pretty much expect to see at least a couple of cat videos in the future from me as soon as I can get it to do something really cute besides purr and sleep. So anyway, look forward to seeing that. All right, guys. Look, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, for commenting, for, just spending some time on my YouTube channel and supporting what I'm trying to do. It takes a lot of work to put videos together and to edit them. It took me like 4 days to edit the circuit board video, so it takes me a lot of time, and I really appreciate that you guys watch my videos and interact with me through YouTube and social media and all that. So just wanted to give a shout out to everybody who's doing that. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. If you like my vlogs, give me a thumbs up. If you think I suck at vlogging, give me a thumbs down. Either way, let me know in the comments, and we'll see what I can change for you. All right, that's all for today. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you next time.